Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Sajjad and I am a specialist in Cambridge Economics and Business Studies at both O levels and A levels. I have been teaching within the Cambridge system since 1994. During this journey, I have taught at some of the most respected national and international schools. In recent years, I was part of the Beacon House school system and I am currently at Asas International School F8 and F10 campuses in Islamabad. I earned my BBA in 1994, Masters in Economics in 2006, MPhil in 2012, and PhD in 2019. Alongside my degrees, I have earned certifications with distinction in economics and teaching methodologies from the top global institution. I named my teaching methodology STRIPE, STRIPE. STRIP means a simple but powerful six-stage methods that guide students step by step to exam success. S stands for the syllabus plus smart learning. This is where we complete the entire course in just 8 to 9 weeks. T stands for the training. This means training through exercises and the case studies provided in the textbook. R stands for the revision and diagnostics. I stands for the individual chapter test. And P stands for the paper strategy. And finally, E stands for exam simulation. This is where we conduct a full mock exam in real-time conditions. Are you ready to improve your grades and build true exam confidence? Then visit www.educationist.pk or call +92 332 82 00082. Book your free demonstration class today. Thank you very much.